Generally speaking, the longer our computers are used, its performance is even worse than before. There is a greater possibility of various computer problems occurring. The computer is very slow to turn on and off. One of the reasons why the application cannot be opened is that there is too much junk on the C drive. C drive serves as the system, stores a large number of system files and applications. If there are too many junk files, will cause the system to run slowly. This in turn affects the speed of switching on and off. At this time, we can try to use SNK C drive cleanup to free up disk space, thereby improving the system running speed. First, log into the official website of the system president to download AskClean. After installation and opening, scan the WeChat QR code. The AskClean software has 5 major functional modules. The garbage cleaning function can clean up files generated by the system, third-party application caching and registration criteria and scanning. The privacy cleaning function can quickly clean up system privacy. Make sure the privacy records on your computer are completely cleared. Keep your personal information safe. The large file moving function is to quickly transfer large files from the C drive to the disk with the largest remaining capacity of the computer. The shred file function can completely delete files. Data recovery software is also unable to perform. Through the 5 major functions of AskClean, easily free up C drive space and improve running speed. But I want to completely solve the problem of slow computer startup and shutdown. You need to consider hardware upgrades.